Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage GM certified 2015 Buick Verano Premium Group. Stock number Z8258XX. Only 20,000 miles in this one owner. Clean auto check history report. White diamond in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper to bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month 12,000-mile bumper to bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Verano is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, leather interior. Not only low miles but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Nice size trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Removable mat for easy cleaning. No dents or dings in the body. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, Bose sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, again only 20,000 miles, with driver information system. That's also where you set the forward collision alert, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats as well as heated steering wheel. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror. HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Verano has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 250 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Nice balance of power and fuel economy, along with those 250 horses, EPA average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.